Jessie Menjola starts the year on a high note after enjoying a wonderful holiday season with her family. The 32-year-old celebrity mom shared her joyful moments with the press during a jewelry shop branch opening in Las Piñas on January 18. Let's dive into her family celebrations and how she's supporting her husband Luis Manzano's new journey in politics. Jessie revealed how much she cherished spending the holidays with her loved ones. It was good. Kasama ko buong pamilya and sobrang saya lang. From Christmas to New Year's celebration and birthday din ni Tito Ralph, Recto, magkakasama kaming lahat so happy naman, she shared during the event at the Manila Diamond Studio in Evia Lifestyle Center. However, the holiday bliss didn't last long as work immediately beckoned. Both Jessie and her husband Luis Manzano have been busy, especially since Luis officially filed his certificate of candidacy for Vice Governor of Batangas last October. Jessie opened up about how Luis's journey in politics has changed their lives. Ay wala nang practice, ganap na ngayon, ginagawa na talaga, she admitted. She shared that as long as you're genuine and spend time with people, adapting comes naturally. The couple has already been active in supporting Batangas communities, especially during challenging times like Typhoon Christine. Jessie also recounted an emotional moment before Luis finalized his decision to enter politics. Before talaga siya nag-file ng candidacy, nagkaiyakan pa talaga kami, she shared. While hesitant at first, Jessie expressed her unwavering support, telling Luis, "I just want you to know that whatever you decide, I'll be here 100% to support you." What do you think about Jessie Mendiola's unwavering support for Luis Manzano's political career? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates about your favorite stars. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.